Hello people, and welcome back to another Ian and Tina vlog.
Can you guys hear us? I'm not so sure, so bring close.
Welcome back to another Ian and Tina vlog.
Every day's a new adventure, daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter, captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
Well, oh, that was a back machine. We're waiting on the machine, but the machine is in front of us. Gonna use the ATM. But it's best we kind of sign off and sign back on because I don't think y'all can hear us. Like we were saying,
Yeah.
wasn't sure if you could hear us.
Yeah, you still got your mask on.
Oh.
It comes the norm, these masks sometimes, you know, you just forget you have it on.
Right.
But yeah, there was music playing and you know.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, no, I don't think it was any decent music that would cause cause a flagging. But yeah, a bit loud in there. Plus with these masks you can't really hear anything when you speak, so just do it in the car.
Right. So this vlog is really about our package from the UK.
Yeah.
Like we were saying, well, we did hold on.
Pay for the parking.
We did the unboxing, which we will show you guys right now.
Yes.
So today is actually the same day
Yes.
as the snow day.
I'm back at home, finished work.
Right, so it's approximately, time check.
7, quarter past 7.
Quarter past 7 in the
Yes.
evening. But we decided we have to like do a vlog because we were talking about the
package
from
England and Christmas clothes that we ordered.
Right.
Yes, we're ready to open it. He'll be waiting patiently for me. I don't think I'll do the same, but yeah.
When I got home, the package came about 2 or 3 hours after I got home, and I thought 2 packages came. Christmas clothes came,
Yeah.
and this package from Opal came.
Yeah.
But she has this whole thing about opening packages, so I wouldn't rob her of that joy, if you know what I mean. So here we go. Here is the package.
Yes.
So let's get a close up on it. Yeah. You know when Jamaicans send you a package, right?
Pack it up good, man.
Yes. So this package is really from our goddaughter, but it's her dad that actually did all the purchases. So slowly.
Dun, dun, dun.
Boom. That's half of it. Boom.
Oh,
Yes. So we need to clear a path because we need an area where we can just put all the stuff. So let's get these out of the way. Okay. Get our basket out of the way. Okay. All right. So we got a clear path now. So
these are all the things that we missed from England.
So we've got
Jammy Dodgers.
Jammy Dodgers. Woohoo! I see my chicken noodle soup. Yes.
Ew, we're gonna make soup today.
Yes. I love me some chicken noodle soup. You know, so we got more Jammy Dodgers.
Okay, put those to the side.
And
oh,
There we go.
Hot madras.
Hot madras curry
That's
powder.
what we're talking about.
Yes, the hot curry
Look
powder.
at that.
Nice. And we got a big pack as well.
Yeah, that's gonna last us.
And whoa, check that out. We got Aki. This is gonna be the first time we have had Aki in.
In Switzerland.
In Switzerland. It's be the first time we have it.
It's the first time I had it for a long time.
Yeah, and
got 2.
Yeah.
Man, you gotta savor that.
I'm trying to think when was the last time we had some Aki.
Oh.
That had to be about.
Must be when we were at, about 8 years ago.
Yeah, it's a long time.
Hey, guava.
Christmas came early for us, man. Check that out. This is some guava jam. Yes, and we got how many? 2? Oh, sit them there, sit them there. Look at the price. Jeez, it's only $2.30 for it, you know.
That's cheap.
Man.
So, my favorites, chocolates.
Yes.
Dairy milk.
There we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We went to the overkill of chocolate. But these chocolates are not here, so it's a good thing. We got one more there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Another fruit and nuts.
Yes. And get a Listerine out.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Much needed.
Much needed. Listerine are here, but the original is not here.
They say that this is too strong for them.
So I can't do no other Listerine but the original.
That.
So as soon as we finish with this unpacking, I'm going to take a little swoosh.
for memory's sake.
Yes.
So we got 2 of those.
Got 2 of those for old time's sake.
And another thing.
My favorite Dettel.
Yeah.
We just have to have this.
That's another thing that is barred from Switzerland.
Yeah, and, we're Jamaican people, so we like the real disinfectant.
Exactly.
And nothing beats Dettel. And yes, I love my Vaseline. I use Vaseline on my lips and I use Vaseline on my face. So I told Opal that we needed some Vaseline. So much appreciated. They even extra wrap them.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this.
Chicken seasoning.
Chicken seasoning. Let's go through the seasonings. Chicken. All purpose. Some more chicken.
Yes. Oh, yeah. They did us good.
They did. They doubled up on everything.
Got more all purpose.
Right, that's gonna look at your chicken soup.
Yes.
Chicken soup.
Got a couple chicken soup up in there. So I got 4 in total.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Christmas came early for us.
Oh, that's some Jaffa cakes.
Okay, Jaffa cakes.
And some more milk, dairy milk chocolate.
There you go, there you go.
I guess they got squished.
Yeah. And paracetamol.
Yeah.
Ibuprofen.
Ibuprofen.
Yeah.
So we got some of those.
Yeah.
And some paracetamol. It's not that they're hard to get here. They're just...
these are here, but they're just so expensive.
Ibuprofen, I don't think we've ever bought ibuprofen here, but they are so expensive.
And when you know that you can get it cheaper elsewhere, it's just ridiculous to pay that kind of money for it.
Exactly.
And condensed milk, of course. Yes. We have to have our condensed milk.
Yeah.
So, hold on. I'm going to pause for a second. My phone's ringing.
That's probably
and I'm almost sure that it's Opal. So, I missed her call. Hold on, let me just call her back.
You cannot do one-handed. FaceTime. Opal.
She's about to sign on, where is she?
Hi, Opal.
So, we were here doing the vlog because look.
We're opening the package.
We're opening the package. So, we're vlogging everything. And you called, so might as well we incorporate you. So, tell you what.
Yes.
Give us 5 more minutes to finish doing what we're doing.
Wait, let me see what's in the box.
Hold on. There. But we're not,
It's you?
hold on. But we're not finished yet. Open the box so you can see what's in the box. We've got other stuff in the box. So we're not finished yet. So just...
Huh?
You want the silver Vaseline?
Yeah.
No, we're not giving it. We're not giving, you gave it to us. We're not going to give it back. So, say hi to the people because you're already here.
Hi.
All right, we'll call you back in a minute. All right.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So that was the gifter.
Yeah.
So let's get back to business.
Okay.
Okay. So we got
some more condensed
milk. So.
Can you put it upside down?
So we gotta like showboat these. Got 4 because if you guys remember when we went to Spain, we bought some condensed milk, and I've just been kind of saving this last one. So now that we've got some more, we can use that one. And what else we've got?
Sardines.
We've got sardines.
Need to get some crackers.
Yes. So they don't have sardines here. I have not seen sardines here.
No.
And without a doubt, we've got some hot sauce.
Sauce.
Yes.
Some hot pepper sauce. There's 2 different types. Dunn's
River and tropical.
Yeah.
So, and these. Yeah. And
some mini little
Vaseline.
To put in your bag or your pocket.
And that has pretty much been the all people. Can't wait.
Can't wait to get stuck into those.
You can tell that we're excited. You know, it's just Christmas.
Exactly.
I'm gonna actually take a picture of this and post it on our social media because this is good, man.
Yeah, these little packages just they're smiling.
Anyway, people, that's pretty much it. We'll conclude this vlog tomorrow. You could tell that we were excited about the package, and most of you might be wondering why are we so excited about the stuff that we have. I mean, we have stuff like condensed milk. Condensed milk is here in Switzerland, right? But it's about 3 francs.
$3.90.
$3.90.
Yeah, which is like the same equivalent $3.
Yeah, $3.90. Yeah. So it's a bit. It's not that we can't afford it. Yeah. It's just that when you're aware that it can be afforded so much cheaper, exactly. It's kind of hard for you to fork out that kind of money. Yeah. You know what I mean? Just for condensed milk. So when we were in Spain, we grabbed a couple. Yeah, they were for €1, so we just grabbed them. And now we've got 14, so we can use up the one that we were savoring. You will see that we have chicken noodle soup. Ooh,
he was waiting for that. He's
was waiting for my
lost
chicken
without
noodle
that
soup.
chicken noodle soup, you know.
I love my chicken noodle soup. I also got some hot sauce. There's hot sauce here, but they're just not hot enough for me. No, they're just not hot enough for me. Last night I did try this hot sauce. It brought back memories. You know, it's good. Yeah, because it was made from Scotch bonnets. Yeah. So it all came back to you. Yeah. What else was in the package? The seasonings, which I said we've made chicken wings last night, so I used the seasoning. I was dying to use those seasonings. You know? Again, we can't find seasoning here, but it's not the seasoning that we're accustomed to. So I would describe the seasoning here as much lighter. Definitely. You know, not so. Yeah. You know, so potent. Not so potent. That's the word, babe. Not so potent. You know, and what else? Cadbury's chocolates. Yeah. Switzerland is supposed to be the best place to buy chocolate. It's supposed to be the top of the range of chocolate makers. But there's chocolate here that we eat and we like. But and taking no credit away from Switzerland, the chocolate here are the best. But when you have acquired a taste for a particular brand,
Yeah.
You just like that particular brand.
Yeah.
You know, and she likes her Cadbury's. It's just like ice cream. I like my grape nut ice cream. Doesn't mean Switzerland doesn't have ice cream, but I've acquired a taste for grape nut ice cream. Yeah. What else is there? Listerine.
Listerine.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're Listerine people, but we're Listerine original. You know, we don't like any other Listerine.
Yeah, and Switzerland have said that it's a bit too harsh for their customers, for their people in this country. So,
right. So
they discontinued it.
You know, and we were just bummed by that. So before we used to try to get it online. And that became scarce to acquire online.
Exactly.
Here in Europe, I mean, you can get it from like USA and all that, but to ship it to Switzerland,
it's a lot.
It's a lot. So getting the Listerine original, it's like liquid gold to us. You know, another liquid gold to us is
Dettol. Yeah. We opened it immediately last night.
Yes, took a Dettol bath. Again, it's just one of those things that you have grown up with.
Grown up with. It's always in the black household.
Yes.
You know?
I would say Jamaican household.
Jamaican household.
Yeah, I would say that. You know, if you're Jamaican, you believe in Dettol.
Exactly.
You know, there's a lot of other disinfectant, but Dettol is just like you're all around. You know,
for everything.
For everything. Everything. You can clean your house. You can clean the toilet. You can clean your body. You can clean a sore. Anything you can use for Dettol. So, Dettol it's hard to acquire here.
Yeah.
You know?
Never seen it here after the first time we bought it ever.
So that's it. What else? Aki, yes. We're excited about Aki because it's been about 8 years since we've had Aki.
Aki, yes.
But the problem we're having now, well, we're gonna see if we can acquire some saltfish.
Oh yeah.
We're not sure if we can acquire saltfish here.
No.
But if there's anyone watching us that's living in Switzerland and knows where we can acquire saltfish,
where can we get saltfish, people?
Please point us in the direction.
If not, then we'll have to mix it with the sardines. We have to improvise.
No, there's other ways you can do Aki without the you know, Aki and sardine just doesn't. Nope. But we'll see. Nothing beats fresh Aki from the tree.
Ooh, yes.
But you know, we live in foreign, so we have to
make do with the tin.
Exactly. What else? You had Jammy Dodgers?
Jammy Dodgers, yeah. Those are my favourite from England. I like to dunk them in my tea.
That's the British side of her.
Yeah, and Jaffa cakes. And again, Jaffa cakes, you can't get the brand Jaffa cakes here, but you can get something like it here.
Right.
But you know, with brand name things, you know, you kind of like, when you know, you know. Yes. You know, when you like it, you like it.
Well, Jaffa cake is really Jay's thing.
Yeah.
You know, Jay really likes it.
I remember for school, he used to pack them in his lunchbox.
Right.
But yeah, he likes the Jaffa cakes.
And this other thing we used to pack in his lunch. Well, it used to be like an afternoon snack for him, a thing called Juicy Drop Pop.
Juicy Drop Pop.
I just like the name, Juicy Drop Pop. You know? What else is in the box? Vaseline.
Oh, Vaseline.
Yes. Vaseline. I asked for some Vaseline because you can't quite get Vaseline here. You could get petroleum jelly, but you can't quite get Vaseline. Yeah. And I like my Vaseline. I use it on my lips. After I use like a face wash on my face and all that, I use Vaseline on my face. You know, so for all you guys who are wondering how do I keep it so sharp, so smooth, Vaseline.
And also sardines.
Right. Oh. We got some sardine. Now, I love my sardine with hot sauce.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so the hot sauce comes in double handy for me, you know, so.
I like it too, and cream crackers. And
yes, hard crackers.
Yeah, when I was young, my uncle, he used to he used to have two things on him. He used to have a little box of tobacco, he used to roll his own cigarettes, and he used to have a tin of sardines with him and hot sauce. And he always used to come to our house and have his sardines and hot sauce.
The thing about sardine though, it's very smelly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. You know, so sardine, and of course we can't forget the what you call it, the guava jam.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. We bought some bread today.
Yeah.
To go with the guava jam.
We know we're shortchanging ourselves already.
Yeah,
Anyway,
it's not hard bread.
Yeah. Exactly. It's not our dough bread, but it's guava jam.
It will do.
And it's guava jam. You know, you just can't go wrong with guava jam. So we're about to take it to the house, people, and we will resume in.
And we're back home.
We're home.
In the warm.
Yes. So, to take the hats off, first things first. Yeah.
I won't take my hat off yet because I'll have hat hair.
So, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yes.
We're gonna indulge in some of our guava jam and bread that we bought today. And what else can we indulge in?
A cup of tea. I might have a couple of jammy dodgers.
I might taste one. You know, I'm not really a sweets fan. You know, I'm not really a sweet biscuit or sweet fan. But every now and then I'll indulge. You know, but I'm not.
You won't make me feel left out.
I do indulge. So what we're gonna do right now is obviously take these hot coats off.
Yes.
Yeah. And hold on. This has nothing to do with this vlog.
Okay.
But we promised one of our subscriber, Evelyn, that we would put the sofa tish footage in. So I'm just gonna put it real quick because I keep forgetting to insert it. So that's pretty much it.
That's just for you, Evelyn.
Yeah.
Just for you.
Right. So that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.